Here's everything you're going to need for this project. We've got the dead pedal itself, and I'm going to link to this down below. Guys, if you like what you see, please press like and subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. The instructions, the mounting plate that the dead pedal connects to, the bolt hardware that's included to connect the mounting plate to the dead pedal, the back mounting plate that everything bolts to that goes down below the driver's side with some double-sided tape to make it easier to install, a Allen wrench that fits the bolt that connects the dead pedal to the mounting plate. You've got a ratchet, a 10mm socket, a 1/2 inch socket, and a 1/2 inch wrench. So let's go ahead and get started on the install. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mount the dead pedal to the backing plate. And the reason I want to do that is so that I can kind of eyeball where I want to place it. And I'm not going to lock everything down just yet, but I'm just going to get the bolt kind of a little bit tight here, make it easier on myself. And then I'm going to crawl up under my dash and try to see where the placement is. I'm figuring that I'm going to use the last bracket because I'm about 5'11" and I've got longer legs and I don't want to have it too far forward, but I may need to adjust it to the middle. We'll see. So let's go ahead and test that now. So the next thing we need to do is we need to actually pull this red cover off the double-sided sticky tape and put the mounting bracket in place. I'm not going to film myself peeling this off because it's a tedious process and I'm going to look like a stupid idiot. But I'm going to peel it off and I'm going to show you which holes it goes in on the bracket. Here's a better shot with better lighting and no shaky cam of the bracket that we're going to be connecting to. You can see the bolt sticking out for the back plate that everything connects to. So we've got a bolt here and a bolt here that we're going to connect to. I am not going to record this part. It is extremely difficult to get to. I'm not going to lie to you. You really have to be a contortionist to get this thing out. Or in, I should say. Maybe a better idea if you're a bigger person to take the front seat out. I don't know. I've adjusted my pedal to the middle position and I'm going to reinstall it and hopefully get this thing done. Here's the final install. This is a huge pain to get to the bolt that's back behind this one. You're going to need to add a 6-inch extension onto your socket in order to reach it. Once you get that tightened down though, it's pretty stable. I like the position. I'm happy that it's in there. I know that I'll be glad I did it. But I'm not going to lie to you, at this moment, I'm tired. My back hurts. Scratch the crap out of my hand. So install at your own peril. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.